If you want to upload a resume on your LinkedIn profile, then here's what you're going to do. First is for easy job applications. This uploads your resume to your job application settings for quick access when applying for jobs on LinkedIn. So first step that you're going to do is you're going to head over to the Me tab or your profile icon right here at the top of your screen. Going to click on that. And then from here, you're just going to scroll down and select settings and privacy under the account section. Now from your settings and privacy page, on the left sidebar, you're going to click on data privacy. Now from the data privacy tab, you're going to scroll down until you can find the job seeking preferences section, and then you're going to click on job application settings from here. Now from the job applications section or page, you're going to click on upload resume right here. You're just going to click on upload resume, and then you're going to upload this resume that you want to update, or maybe a new resume that you have just created. You're just going to click on open, and then you're going to wait for this to load. Now if you have a previous resume that you have uploaded and you want to remove it, you can just simply click on this ellipsis icon right here and then click on delete. Now your resume will be uploaded and updated. And that's it. That is how you're going to upload your resume on LinkedIn. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.